In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious creamy cucumber radish salad. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup sliced cucumber, 1 cup sliced radish, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of chives, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. To the sour cream, we're going to add in the salt and the pepper and mix until completely combined. In a bowl, add the cucumbers, radishes, chives, and our sour cream mixture and mix until completely combined. Cover with foil. And we're going to place this in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Our creamy radish salad is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.